Hello, welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today we are going to learn 100 Dinka words or short phrases. 100 Dinka words. So please watch the video to the end so that you can learn this amazing language. It is also in English, so you have the advantage. And now let us begin, right? Dinka to English translations. Learn 100 Dinka words. Let us begin from number one. One, kurbion, akurbion, or basal. Basal. Basal agok. We mean wild onion. Wild onion. We call it basal agok because the monkeys, they love eating this wild onion. You find it in the forest. It grows in the forest, and a lot of monkey, they eat this uh, onion. That's why it is called basal agog. Basal agog. Agog. Agog mean monkey. Basal mean onion. Two, alal. Alal. Alal mean parrot. Alak. Alak. Alak mean gray heron. It's a bird. Alak. Alak. Alak mean cloth. Alid. Alid. Alid means small window or hole in your house. Small window or small hole in your house. It's called alid. Alid. Amad. 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 Amad means slowly. Slowly. Jam amad. Jam amad means talk slowly. Angod. 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 Angod means still, not yet. Angod, still, not yet. Angod kito. Angod kito mean still not finished, not yet finished. Bapura, 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 bapura mean cassava. Bapura. Akuma, akuma, akuma. A-ka-u-ma. Akuma mean government. Akuma. Akuma, Sudan, government of South Sudan. Akuma, America, government of America. Akuma, Canada, government of Canada. Bang, bang, bang means sheep, sheep. More ngam, more ngam, more ngak, num. More ngak means king, the king. More ngam, the king. More ngam. Bang bip, bang bip, bang bip. Bang bip means spear master. Spear master. It's called bang bip, spear master. Bang bip. Bell, bell, bell means duracane. Duracane, also called sugar cane. Berich, berich, berich. Berich means to repeat. Repeat. Berich, babin. Repeats so that I can hear it. Berich means to repeat. Bow, bow. Bow means aluminium. Aluminium. Beard, beard, beard. Beard means to be silent. View, view, view. It means barking. Oh, oh, oh. View. The dog is barking. Young, view. The dog is barking. Young, view. Boy, boy. Boy means net. net, cha, cha, sha, ama. This is cha, sha, ama. Cha mean to eat, to eat. Cha. Kun cha cha mean I eat food. Kun cha cha, I eat food. Cham, cham, cham mean left-handed. Left-handed. Ran kene e cham. Ran kene e cham mean he's left-handed. Left-handed. You eat using your left hand. You do everything with your left hand. It's also called cham. It's the same like this but different in meaning. Cham to eat. Cham left. Chan, chan, chan. Chan mean name of a Dinka male twin. Name of a Dinka male twin. In South Sudan, if you get a name called Chan, know that he's a twin. Yes, we give name Chan to a twin. Achan, 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 Achan also is the name of a Dinka female twin. Name of a Dinka female twin is called Achan. If you get a name called Achan in Dinka or in South Sudan, that means she's a twin. Ngor, Ngor, Ngor. Ngor also is a name of a Dinka male twin. For example, if the twins are both boys, they should be called Ngor Shan. Ngor and Shan. And if the twins are, uh, let's say, one boy and one girl, they should be called Chan or and Achan or Ngor and Achan. If the twins are both girls, they should be called Achan and Anger, Achan and Anger. Anger, I did not write it here, it is there. Achan and Anger. Yes, that's how we name the twins in South Sudan. Shin, Shin mean behind. Chink, Chink, Chink mean bee. Milk, 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 Chink. Milk, Chink mean honey. Hun. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Sheep, sheep. Sheep mean diarrhea. Diarrhea, sheep. Yani, few. Sheep. Sheep, 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 sheep. Ima. She mean kiss. Kissing. Sheep. Sheep talk. Sheep talk. Sheep mean kiss. Mouth. This is mouth, guys. Sorry. Yes, kids, mouse, mm, shed, shed, shed mean scorpion, scorpion, shed, shellage, shellage, shellage mean in the middle, sibur, sibur, sibur or kubur mean skunk, is animal. Sir, 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 sharp, ira, sir mean honey, beja, chwar, 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 tip, sweet, sweet, sweet mean to scorn someone. You see or you are disrespecting someone, sweet, scorn. Okay. For one of my subscribers from Dinka, Lena, Francesco, here is how you should pronounce C. In Dinka is cha, sha. That's why I bring this more examples so that you can know how to pronounce C In Dinka language, it is cha, like shan, shwar, sheer, shell, sheep, sweet. Yes, I hope you are going to learn this pure word. Thank you. Dew, dew, dew means to down, to down. For example, in Dinka, if you say, and dew yin, and dew yin or yan dew yin mean, I am doubting you. I am doubting you and dew yin. Dew mean to doubt. And dew or yan dew mean, I am doubting. I am doubting. Dear, dear, da. This D is da. Da, E-R-R. Dear means woman. For example, dew, da, E-U, dew to doubt. So it's not D, it is da, da. Da, da. You see? Da, U, A, nga. Da, U, A, nga. Dwa, dwa, dwa means to impeach. To impeach. Especially the children, if you want to catch the child, give a call him and say, or her and say, come and take this biscuit, come and take this lollipop, come and take this sweet. The child will come thinking that you are going to give him or her sweet. Then you catch the child and yeah, discipline him or her. So it's called in teach, to in teach. And also when you are fishing, you put the bait on the hook and then throw it. The fish will see that the food has arrived, so they want to eat it, and then you pull it out. That is in dish. Boom, boom, boom mean deceive, deceive. Boom, da, u, ho, nga. Boom, boom mean to deceive. Diao, diao, diao. Da, yao. It should be like this, guys. Sorry. Da, ow, diao. Diao means to cry. You are crying, diao, diao, cry. So that's how you should write it. Jai, jai, jai means refuse. You refuse, and chijai, I refuse. Dwak, dwak, dwak mean to increase, to increase. Dwal, dwal, ja, this is ja, yeah is ja, ja, ha, la. Ja, ha, la. Dwell. Dwell means oyster. Oyster is in the river. Is in the river. I find people eat it here in Europe. Eat it here. In South Sudan, we don't eat it. We use it as a bait to fish. Yes. We don't eat it. Maybe we eat it indirect because the fish is going to eat it and then you come and eat fish later. So another way of eating dwell indirect. Here it is one of the expensive food. They eat it here. Dwell oyster. Ran, adore. Ran, adore. Ran, adore. Ran, adore means malnourished person. Malnourished person. Ran, adore. Ran, try. Ran, try. Ran, try. Try. Shall I? Ran, try means part person. Part person. Ran, try. Ran, adal. Ran, adal, ran, adal, adal, mean very tall person. A very tall person, we call him or her ran agal. He's very tall, he's agal, he's agal, like a gal. Ran chick, ran chick, ran chick means short person. Chick, short, chick, short. Ran bar, Ranbar means person, tall person, ranbar. A chick, a chick, a chick means dwarf person. A queen lie. A queen lie mean while the web person. Sorry guys. While the word person. Come on. Come on. Or yell. Come on or yell. Come on or yell mean visitor or guest in your house. Cut. Cut mean to run. To run. Cup up. Cup up. Cup up mean good things. Courage. Courage mean bad things. Bad things. Kedang. Kedang. You write it here. Kedang. Kedang. It's the same thing. Kedang. If there is nga, you should write N NG. NG represent nga. Kedang. When you don't have nga, you should write it like this. Kedang. And when there is you have a Dinka alphabet, you should write like this. Kedang. Means some things. Nyam. Nyam. Na I ama. Nyam mean to be proud. To be proud. And nyam mean I am proud. And nyam yin. And nyam yin. Or yan nyam mean I'm proud of you. Ro. Ro. Ro mean thirsty. And negro. I'm very thirsty. Chok. Chok mean anger. And negro. I'm angry. Ping. 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 Ping mean to hear or to listen. Acha ping. Acha ping mean I hear it or I listen to it. Chor. Chor. Chor mean blind. Blind. Chor. Blind chor. Blind chor mean blind person or blind man. Blind chor. Blind person. I watch. I watch. Ah. Wa. Wu. Oh shit. I watch mean mistake. I watch. Mistake. Kana. I watch. Kana. I watch mean this is mistake. Kur. Kur. Ka. Kur. Kur mean mountain. Kur. Badwak. Achilo. Kurno. Badwak. Achilo. Kurno mean badwak as well to mountain. Or badwak as well on top of mountain. Chwar. Chwar. Chwar mean tips. Sorry, we get this word before. You have to know it. Chwar. Sha. Wu. Ara. Chwar. Chwar mean tip. Dom chwar. So, dom chwar mean catch the tip. Dom chwar. Catch the tip. Shwir arat. Shwir arat. Shwir. Shwir arat. Mean stealing is bad. Wearing. Wearing. Wearing mean calm down. Calm down. Wing. Wing. Wa. Inga. Nga. Wa. Inga. Wing mean cow. Cow. Wing. Akaja. Akaja mean donkey. Agok. 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 A. Ga. O. Oka. Aga. O. Oka. Agok mean monkey. Sorry guys. Monkey. Agok mean monkey. Ra. Mean sorghum. Sorghum. Gum. Gum mean okra. Okra is also called lady finger. I don't know why it is called lady finger. Can you let me know in the comment section? Milk. Milk. Ma. Ma. I. Oka. Ma. I. Oka. Milk. Milk mean oil. Oil. Tabun. Tabun. Ta. A. Ba. U. Una. Tabun means soap. soap, sabun, and with sabun or and with sabun mean I need soap. Pew, 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 pew mean water, water, pew, water. It's like Italian word, pew, pew mean more in Italian word. Water in Italian word is called l'acqua, l'acqua. Team, team mean trees. Much, much mean fire, fire. Team much, team much mean firewood, firewood. Team much. Anyone, anyone, anyone. Let yeah, who, on. Anyone mean rubbish, rubbish. Anyone. Matalong, matalong, matalong. Ma, ta, la, na. Matalong mean trouser. Anyone, anyone, anyone mean pan. Ja, an, na. Anyone, pan. Gamit, gamit mean shed, shed. Vanilla, vanilla mean t-shirt. Matania, matania, matania mean blanket. The one you use to cover yourself, blanket. Malaya, malaya, malaya mean bed sheet, bed sheet. On deer, on deer, on deer mean mosquito net. Then what mean, what literally mean house in Dinka-English, what house. Deer mean mosquito, mosquito. That means one deer means the house of mosquito. Simply in English, mosquito net. One deer, you see, Dinka is so amazing, guys. Deer, deer alone means mosquito, mosquito. Boy, boy, boy mean net, net. We get this word before you need to mark it. Net. Panabun koidit. Panabun koidit. Panabun coach dit. Panabun coach dit mean adult school. Adult school or adult education. Panabun koidit. Adult school. Coach dit mean elders. Elderly people or old people. Panabun mean school. Ram Nialish. Ram Nialish. Ram Nialish literally mean yeah, it means church of God. Church of God. So simple means church. Kanita. Kanita. Kanista is mean church. In my area, when we say kanista, and kanita or and kanisa, I'm going to church or and I'm going to church. So both mean church. Well, well, well mean money. Money. Well. Bought Bought mean 100. 100. Now we reach number 100. That means bought 100. Bought ba or order. Bought 100. By William Bajang Dingdit. Deputy Tongjang. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like and share the video to your loved ones so that they can also learn Dinka and English language. Yenakan, the end of this video. Nyalish Kawik, I will say God is with you guys. And this is the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching my video. God bless you all. Thank you. Kuyalia. Ayan William Banyak Maligding. Dupit itong job. Dornali Gabriel Kawik. Please tell me we have reached 3,000 watch hours, and we are only remaining with 1,000 watch hours so that our YouTube channel can be monetized so that I get small amount of money. Please help me to watch the video, help me to share the video, help me also to like the video so that we can also learn and also I can get some things in this channel. It is your responsibility to help me by watching the video and like the video. Also comment that one. YouTube is going to recommend the video to the others because if you comment, a lot of people comment in the video, then YouTube is going to say, okay, this language, we need to promote it. They will give notification to other people so that they can also learn with us. Please, I need 1,000 watch hours. 1,000 watch hours is remaining and it's very hard to get it. Let us make sure we reach 1,000 watch hours this year. Okay? Yes. Thank you very much for all my returning subscribers, returning viewers. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much for our new subscribers. Please do me a favor, like and share the video. Bye bye. William, Madak Malindi. Ordinary, we are